Welcome to my new channel. Recently I have partnered up with a gentleman by the name of Charles, who's actually designed this piece that's printing right behind us now. I realized that I needed to change the way my regular YouTube channel, which was my old Tattoo Pyramid Head, which I originally started to be a costuming channel, and then it's kind of morphed into an automotive project channel. And my 3D printing has a very specific focus. So in this channel, it's going to be just my 3D printing projects, slicing, doing custom firmware, and building custom printers. I actually have a whole video series on my jumbo printer, which I'll insert some footage here in a second. So yeah, I'm kind of branching out and trying something different. And that was one of my biggest. My last channel was a big learning curve for me. Learned how to edit videos and try to make them have some kind of a flow. So now here we are. We're going to be putting out a fair bit of content. I don't know how regular it'd be, just because I do have work and a life. So I will try to upload as much as I can, as often as I can. But yeah, I've done a fair bit. I actually hand built both these printers from a kit. There's actually a third one that's sitting over there it's been modified. I took and removed all the belt drives off of this and converted, custom designed new bracketry and converted into a lead screw printer, which works really good for doing super fine detail like this. Anyway, so that's kind of where we're at and what we're doing. I'm actually going to, the second video that I'm going to upload after this one is going to be another project that I did with Charles earlier this year that's uploaded on my other YouTube channel. I'm going to remix it and change it up. Anyway, so there'll be a remix of Mr. Keith Rucker's Camelback Straight Edge. This is actually a test piece for the Georgia Museum of Agriculture's Vulcan Ironworks narrow gauge locomotive. So I'll kind of go through the whole process of how we prepped the file. I said Charles did an excellent job designing the thing, and we got to make sure it fits, because unfortunately there's a very limited time frame on getting that one done and out to him. Got some life stuff coming up real quick, and I can't be around to run prints endlessly, so it needs to get out to him so we can test it, so I can reprint it if we need to make changes down the line. It's going to be a busy couple weeks here. So anyway, that's pretty much my intro to this channel. Again, hoping to be a very focused channel just on 3D printing, building printers, modifying stuff, design work, whatevers, and hope you enjoy.